Hello, this is Henry Emphrey, and this is a Cerberus-X game development tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Cerberus-X 3D. Now, if you don't know how to set up Cerberus-X, you can go back and watch my Making a Fighting Game series. But for those who already have Cerberus-X installed on their computer, I'm going to show you how to set up the 3D. So to set up 3D, you go to the Cerberus-X, you go to 3D Party Modules, click on that, and then you scroll down to Vortex, click on that, and you're going to be taken to this GitHub page. Now on the right hand side of this GitHub page, there's this green button that says clone or download. Click on that, and then you click download zip. Now, I'm saving mine to my desktop, so when you find the place where you want to save the Vortex folder, click Save. Once again, I've saved mine to my desktop, but once it loads, you click on the Vortex Master, then up above, you click Extract All, and then click Browse. I put my Cerberus-X folder on my desktop, so I click on that, and then I click on Module. So after that, I just click Select Folder, and then I click Extract. Now it might take a moment to transfer all the files to the Cerberus-X modules folder. And I'm going to stop this tutorial and meet you all on the other side when all this is finished. So after extracting all of the Vortex folders materials to your Cerberus-X folder, you go back into your Cerberus-X folder, and then I click on Modules. And then you have this folder called Vortex Master, or if you're watching this sometime in the future, it will be called something like this. Vortex something, maybe. I right click on the Vortex Master folder, I click Rename, and then I make sure that this folder is called Vortex, or otherwise the program won't work, at least for now. So then after I do that, I go back and fire up Cerberus-X, wherever you have it stored on your computer. And then after the program is open, I go to File, I go to Open, and then I go to wherever I have my Cerberus-X folder, click on Modules again, I click on Vortex, and then I go to Demos just to test it. And I usually like to test it using this Mars demo. So click on Mars and click Opened. Then you should get a file that looks something like this. And then I just launch it. And then I allow it time to build. If at the bottom of your screen it looks like this, then it means that things are working out properly and it's building. Okay, so if everything launched properly, and if you're running the Mars demo, it should look like this. And then we just play it. Wow, cool. 3D. So this is how you install the Vortex 3D on Cerberus-X. From there, you can go ahead and make your games and expand on this knowledge. Till next time. Thank you.